Today, I'm going to talk about 5 things you absolutely should not do when viewing a property. Stay tuned. Number 1, don't say the price is too high. The seller obviously consulted with their agent and they came up with the best possible price. So when you come in and start complaining that the price is too high, if the seller gets wind of that, it can disqualify you almost automatically. They think this person is going to complain about every little thing that is going on with the house. If we accept their offer, I wonder what they're going to complain about next. The carpet, the walls. Are they going to ask us to fix everything from the attic to the foundation? Are they going to ask us to redo the electrical and the plumbing? They are automatically going to assume that you're going to be a problem and you're going to complain about everything. So don't complain about the price while you're inside the property. Number 2, and this should be an absolute no-brainer, don't use the restroom inside a property that you're viewing. Number 1, that's just nasty. Number 2, that's just totally disrespectful. Yeah, I know you may have to go, but I'm going to encourage you. Like when we were smaller in elementary school, go before you have to go to the viewing. Go beforehand. Do not use the bathroom at their house. Bad move. Number 3, so don't spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes to an hour inside the house talking about all the renovations and things that you would change once you became the new owner. For 1, you're not the new owner yet. For 2, it could be looked at as a sign of disrespect that you don't like the renovations or the decorations or the decor or the layout that this person really put time and effort into making this place feel like home to them. So you don't want to disrespect somebody's style by talking about all the things that you would do kind of right in front of them. And in this age, you never know who's listening. Again, you just don't know. So keep that stuff silent until you leave the house. Number 4 ties into where we are in our current state of the economy. It's election season. So please, when you go into the property, don't discuss your political views. I know you may be a die-hard Democrat, Republican, Libertarian, whatever. Don't discuss your political views while you're in the house. Now, why do I say this? Because number 1, you just don't know who's listening, who's around, and you may offend somebody. And if you really like the house, that can automatically disqualify you when they see your offer come in. So as much as you may be a diehard blue or red or whatever the case may be, keep your opinions to yourself until you actually leave the property. Now, this last one, never, under any circumstances, discuss your buying strategy while you're in the house. Now, 20, 30 years ago, and I'm not that old, but 20, 30 years ago, this probably wouldn't have been an issue. But in today's age where there are cameras literally everywhere you go, discussing your buying strategy in the house could leave you at a disadvantage. Why? Because if the seller hears what you're planning on doing, they can counter you and you've lost leverage. So it's best to walk outside, even walk down the street and discuss your buying strategy with your agent while you're away from the property. That way, the sellers don't know, because they're not going to hear you or see you. They're not going to be privy to any of the information that you're going to share with your agent about how you want to put your offer together so that you can win the bidding on that home. So there you have it. 5 things that you should absolutely never do while you're out viewing a property. Now, I hope this information was useful. Please, if you found it valuable, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I deliver future editions of Info on the Go to YouTube. I want to thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.